Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Learn. Today in this video I would like to demonstrate you how you can easily backup your files and folders on external hard drive or another drive within the same computer. Before we proceed, please support me by subscribing this channel and also do not forget to like this video if you appreciate my effort. We all know backup is very crucial and important in your personal or official life, either to back up your personal data or official information. Protection of files and folders from accidental deletion, crash of computer, virus, ransomware is really very important. If you are working for a small organization, it might not be possible to purchase commercial backup software. So in this case, you can use free version of Iperius, a backup software which will work perfectly without any issues. Myself, I have been using Iperius, a free backup software, for several years and have never got any problem at all. Without any further delay, let me show you the process of downloading and configuring Iperius backup software. First, go to the official website of Iperius, that is www.iperiusbackup.com. Click on free download. Now the executable file will be downloaded. Scan the downloaded file with your antivirus software to make sure it is safe. After that, double click to install it and follow the process. Once the installation process is completed, the software will be open. Iperius free backup software have different features. It can back up your files and folders, images, FTP, virtual machines, database, and many others. Today I will be focusing on backup of files and folders. First, you need to choose the source location of files and folders which you want to backup. In my case, my source folder is inside C drive and the name of the folder is important file. If you are performing backup from network location, then you need to provide the user credentials. You can do it by clicking here, then provide the username and password. Also, you can verify it before you start backup process. It is only valid for Windows operating system. In my case, I am not performing those things, so I uncheck it. Now I can click OK. After I choose source, then I have to choose the destination folder where I want to backup. Similarly, click here. Click the path where you want to backup. It may be your another drive or maybe the external hard drive. Now, if you want to perform multiple number of copies for the backup, you can increase the number here. Click next. Then we can schedule it. If you want to perform it on a specific days, we can click, then we can choose the time. After we choose the time, click add. If you want to run the backup on a specific day, we can choose it, or at a specific hour, we can choose it also. Once the backup is completed, if we want to notify the owner, then we can set up the email also. Here we can put the subject line, then the recipient of the backup. Then for this we have to configure the SMTP server. You can do it here and also test before we start process. Now finally we can provide the job name. Let me click OK. I have completed all the tasks, but here wait, there is email notifications which is not completed. Let me uncheck it. We don't need it in our case. Click next and click OK. Now the task is created. My purpose is to backup from C drive important files to D drive backup. Let me go back to Iperius. On the Iperius, as I have shown you, we can schedule the backup at the specific time, or we can simply right click and run it. Once instructed, the backup process will be started. Depending on the size of the backup files you are backing up, it might take some time, but in my case the backup is completed immediately, as I only have 3 files and all of them are empty. That's why it's also giving me the warning. Now let me go back to my source and destination folders. I have document 1 and document 2, and those are to be backup on backup folder at the destination. Let me go back inside the backup folder. I can see both of the files and folders are being copied here. You can see it on my screen. I have split my screen here. Now let me create a new Excel file to further test and verify the backup process. Then I'll go to document 1 and try to edit it. Then also inside the folder, once again I will go back to Iperius and execute the backup again. You can see the process is completed. Let me go back to my source and destination. Here the new file, Excel file which I have created, has been copied to the destination. Also the document 1 which was modified is also been copied and make changes on the destination folder respectively. Similarly for another file also. In this way, the Iperius makes sure all the files and folders that are on source are copied to the destination. Even it will copy the file that was changed since last backup was performed. It is the easy tools for us to perform our daily backup job, and most importantly, it is free of cost. Finally, if you are performing your backup using copy and paste options available on Windows machine, then please stop that. That process is very ineffective. Many times you may lose the file which were modified after you copy and paste it. The best option will be to use the Iperius backup. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like my video.